Why spend hundreds every year on software like Photoshop or Office when open source apps promise to do the same thing for free? In this video, I'm putting open source and paid apps head to head from photo editing to productivity, so you'll know exactly when it makes sense to pay and when free is all you need. First up, photo editing. On the paid side, we've got Adobe Photoshop, the gold standard. Powerful, polished, and trusted by professionals everywhere. But it'll cost you about $20 a month. On the free side, we've got GIMP. It's open source, works on every major platform, and has a huge library of plugins. It may not be as sleek as Photoshop, but for most people, designers, hobbyists, even some pros, GIMP does the job just fine. Photoshop wins for polish and industry workflow, but GIMP wins for anyone who wants pro-level editing with zero subscription fees. Now, video editing. Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerhouse. Tons of features, tight integration with After Effects, and used by Hollywood studios. But it's expensive, and let's be honest, it can be buggy. Then there's Kdenlive, an open source video editor that's surprisingly capable. You get multi-track editing, effects, transitions, and it runs on Linux, Mac, and Windows. It's not as polished as Premiere, but for YouTubers, students, or anyone on a budget, it's more than enough. Premiere is for professionals who need every feature, but Kdenlive covers 80% of the use cases. For free, next up, productivity software. Microsoft Office is the paid king. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and it works beautifully across devices, but you'll pay at least $70 a year. The open source challenger, LibreOffice. It's a complete suite: Writer, Calc, Impress. It opens most Office files just fine, and it's completely free. Sure, you won't get all the cloud integration that Microsoft offers, but for offline work or school projects, LibreOffice nails it. Let's talk about notes and organization. Paid favorite? Notion. Clean design, team collaboration, tons of templates, but it locks you into their cloud, and advanced features need a subscription. Now the open source option, Joplin. It's private, free, supports Markdown, and can sync through services you control, like Nextcloud or Dropbox. It may not look as fancy as Notion, but if privacy matters, Joplin is unbeatable. Finally, Team Chat. Slack is everywhere. Smooth UI, tons of integrations, but it costs money per user every month. On the open source side, we have Mattermost. It looks and feels like Slack, but you can host it yourself, customize it, and never pay a subscription. For small businesses or tech teams, this is huge. Slack is the easiest plug-and-play option, but Mattermost gives you total control. So, what's the takeaway? Paid apps usually win on polish and big brand recognition, but open source apps win on freedom, cost, and privacy. For a lot of people, that trade-off is worth it. Honestly, the gap between free and paid apps is shrinking fast. Now it's your turn. Which side are you on? Do you prefer paying for polished apps? Or would you switch to open source to save money? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it.